So welcome to the Grand Palladium White Sand Resort, 5-star in Playa del Bossa in Ibiza. And join me this morning on a little walking tour of the hotel. Now this isn't a room tour, it's just an overview of the property and what it looks like. So come and join me. So entering the hotel, there's a big, beautiful, cool area around the reception where there's a bar where you can get yourself a drink. So I'm just going to walk you through and show you where the reception is located. You've got all your tour desks over here, and then I'm going to walk you through around the pool area, and let's go check out the pool area. It looks very nice and chill. What's going on? Lovely and bright today. Time of filming, we are in the middle of June. It's high season. It's not high peak season, but it's high season. And next week all the schools close down and this place is going to get absolutely rammed. So just going to give you an overview of the resort and what it looks like. At the moment we're in this section. If for any reason my audio just cut out, it's because it's the copyright for the music, so there you go. Plenty of places to sit down and have an afternoon snack. Big overview of the pool. Like everyone's getting their aqua aerobics on this morning. So when you can hear that, there you go. Do bear in mind, if you're staying here, you are right underneath the flight path of the airport. So if you're a plane spotter, you're in luck. If you want a bit of peace and quiet, you're not. Mind you, with all that music from the pool, you're not going to get much rest here, I don't think. There is plenty of sun lounges going on here, so you'll definitely be alright for a bit of shade. There's some of these more interesting ones. Sun lounges in the pool, they're quite nice. Cool off. Nice and lively here. So we've got the poolside bar at the back. More of these lovely little funky shady areas. I like those. Those are really good. Now, I don't know how much privacy is for you, but some of these rooms down at the bottom don't have a great deal of foliage. So if you sat here, you are in the mix. So you might as well be sat by the pool. Now, if that's your thing, that's great. But even further up, the balconies are all made out of glass. So if you want to sit on the balcony, have a little bit of privacy, well, you're not going to get much, are you? Just an observation. I don't know whether that's a positive or a negative, but if people are thinking about they'd like to sit on a veranda at night, a balcony, and just have a few moments, everyone's watching. So they are coming round offering people drinks and whatnot. voice is fighting over the airplane noise again. Yeah, so here, a little bit of a sporty area. We've got ping pong, whiff waff, pool, and a little bit of crazy golf. That is the road down there, and then you are on the beach. So these would be your back rooms. Now, one thing I was saying about privacy, if you want a bit more privacy, I suppose, you could choose one of these that isn't overlooking the pool. And A, how quiet it is compared to the pool area. And B, you haven't got a million people looking at you. So you might want to consider having one of the back rooms where it's quieter with a little bit more privacy going on, if that's your thing. And then located on the other side of the hotel, opposite to where we've just been, yet again, you've got more property back facing. Very little's overlooking it. So yeah, again, more privacy. And you've also got some tennis courts down there as well. So I don't need to walk down there and show you those, but if you want to get your tennis on in this heat, you certainly can do. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If you do like, give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. So directly behind me here is the White Sands. Now it has a sister hotel over on this side across the bridge. There you go, let me get my hands sorted out. There we go, across this bridge. So I'm going to walk across this bridge and go and review the sister hotel. So come and join me. Let's go check out this place as well. So I've just walked into the Grand Palladium at Ibiza Palace. Had a quick chat reception. They've offered me a welcome drink, which is absolutely lovely. They've given me a map and offered me to have a walk around. So thank you very much for that. So I'm just going to check this hotel out now. The sister hotel is next door. I've already had a quick walk around that one. Now this one has much more of a relaxed vibe to it. So let's go and explore this place. Come on, follow me. So we're going for a little walk round on the Grand Palladium Select Ibiza Palace. Come and join me. Let's have a look inside. Okay, let's have a little walk around while I'm enjoying my juice. So obviously we've got reception here. Oh, just watch all this. Look at all this wine. Oh, a wall of wine. Obviously we have, it's not open at the moment, so I can't take you in. But here is the restaurant. We have the tour desks and a little gift shop. Well, let's have a little walk around and see what we can find. If for any reason the audio cuts out, it's because we've got copyright music going on and YouTube don't like that, so I'll have to just blank the audio out over those sections. So if it does go blank for any reason, that's why. Okay, so directly behind the reception, you start into the accommodation, and then just around this corner we have the exercise classes going on and the pool. So this is connecting next door to its sister hotel, the White Sands, and the White Sands has a bridge that goes over from one place to the other. And they share their what you call it, evening entertainment. There's a big theatre which I'll show on the way out. Nice established gardens here. And you have your rooms that are just set back, as you can see. Glass balconies again, but only partial glass, so a lot more privacy than some of the other hotels I've been to where they only have full glass balconies, so you can see everything. And the rooms here have got the wooden security slats, so you've got a lot more privacy. So the gardens are quite pleasant. Sorry about filming, I'm filming with one hand because I'm carrying my my juice and my map. Say, lovely big pool. Definitely a family resort. Everything looks quite well maintained. Okay. Yeah, if you want to get a little bit away from it, you've got a canopy of trees and a big green area with some lovely soft circular cushioned sun lounger things. So that's quite nice if you want to get away from the pool, even though the music is still quite loud. Have lots of shade. Now, if I was staying here, I'd really want to be in one of these with more shade. So you've got shade on this side at this time. We're filming about 12ish now, and on the other side, a lot more sun. We've got a little poolside bar. And then I'll whiz past the rooms and have a quick look at the rooms. Very family orientated straight away, I've noticed. You've got the, I think I call it the sandy beach entrance for the kids. Nice and easy access to get in. And then further on, you've got the steps for the adults to get into slightly deeper bits. Quick observation, there's not many brollies and there's not a great deal of sun lounges. I would have expected slightly more. The sister hotel next door has a lot more going on. I think it has possibly more guests, I don't know. And it has more sun lounges. Got a bar here called Extra Time. Nice. Lovely and cool. Extra Time bar. 24-hour snacks. So that's quite nice. Let's go see what he's serving. Tortillas and hot dogs, burgers, and a selection of salad in the salad bar. Let's have a look at the theatre. Here we have the huge outdoor theatre where they do all the shows in the evening, and this will be shared between the two hotels, this one and the sister hotel, the White Sands next door. So we're just at the centre of the hotel near the reception here, and as you can see, it's got accommodation set back further over there. You've got other things on, the theatre's just behind me, and right in front is the reception. So this is the third part of the Palladium group, the Zentropia Spa and Wellness. Now the main reception for the Grand Palladium is over here, so I'm just going to take you for a little walk through. If there's loads of kids around, I might not film too much because it looks like there's a big children's play area over there. So let's just see. Very tranquil little spa area. Tex-Mex restaurant. I'm assuming this will open up in the afternoon or the evenings for guests of the main hotels. And a lovely chill out area. Have your Tex-Mex. Huh. How's that? That looks very nice. Plenty of seating area. There you go. It's closed at the moment, but just a shot through the window, so gives you an idea what it looks like. And just beyond over here, like a snack bar, And over here is a big children's pool, which I'm not going to film because it's absolutely full of kids at the moment and it's inappropriate. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.